Today I'm gonna be talking about why I hate Patchy. I had a Chanel before this one, but it got deleted for some reason. Oh, and Patchy had a Chanel before she had the one she has currently. It was very NSW. But I can't seem to find it. Maybe she deleted it. Ike. I'm gonna show you the only drawings I could find. Just to let you know I covered up some of the drawing on both of them. As you can see, it's very weird. I don't get how people still support her. I mean, I guess that people didn't know this, but still. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.